Today we're going to be making the candle holder that I had in my master bathroom, and this is it. I'm very proud of it. Thought it came out really beautiful. So first, let me tell you what we're going to be using to make this particular look. We will need, let me get this out the way, some of these tea light candles from Dollar Tree. We got a candle holder from Dollar Tree, and we have this glass that came from Dollar Tree. We will also need scissors, a glue gun, and I've got some Gorilla Glue here. And the last item we will need is some bling or rhinestone wrap. I'll put all of these items in the description box so that you'll have them. First thing I want to do is start with my candle holder. Although we're going to be putting this at the end of the candle holder instead of at the top, this is where my rhinestone wrap will be going. And so I want to cut out the length that I need. There we go. And I'll be using the glue gun to bond this bling wrap to the candle holder. The glue gun will kind of mend it so that it shapes where it needs to. Alright, so we'll get started with that. So that's going to give it a quick bond. Alright, so the next thing that we're going to do now that we have our bling wrap or rhinestone wrap, whatever you want to call it, they have various names for it. They even refer to it as diamond wrap. We're going to get our glue gun. First, you know what, we're going to put some of the Gorilla Glue around the rim. Do that first, then go around it again with the glue gun. Okay. I think that'll do it. And we want to be careful here. We want to put our glass on top. So I usually look down into the glass so that I know exactly where I want it to go. Perfect. And we hold it there. And of course, once it dries, you can just put your tea light down there in the middle, and you can turn it on and it'll look just so ever beautiful. So we have the finished product here. It's been glued and it's set overnight, and I'm going to pretty much just put a tea light candle. This one I got from Dollar Tree, and it's so cute because it comes with a rose on top of it. And so what I want to do is make sure, since it's completely dry now, that everything is pretty much glued tightly. So I'm just going to go over my diamond wrap with a little bit more of the Gorilla Glue. And I'm just going to press down wherever it might be a little gap. I'm just going to hold it for a little bit. And I already did this one. And it's already in set to go. So I'll put it in the master bathroom and I will be showing you guys the big reveal soon. So definitely try this if you get a chance. I will be taking this wrapper off of the bottom of this glass. I just didn't get a chance to yet. And let me know if you've ever used the Gorilla Glue. This is new. I've never seen the clear Gorilla Glue before. And this is my first time using it. And I like it so far. I also like the E6000. So you can use that as well if you have some. I am starting to notice that with the Gorilla Glue, it's not giving me as much of a hold as quickly as the E6000. So I probably will in the future, if I ever make these again, stick with the E6000. And I just wanted to try this product because it's clear Gorilla Glue. It does the trick. I just had to make sure I use some glue from the glue gun to get a secure bond, but I like the way it dries. It dries really clear. And I think I will definitely just stick with the E6000 because as you see, I'm still holding this down, although it's starting to become a little bit more tacky so that it's starting to stick to the glass now. It just took a minute. And it looks like we're all done. So yeah, if you want to do this project, you can definitely get both of these pieces. I got the bottom candle holder and the glass from Dollar Tree, and I got these little tea light candles from Dollar Tree. And I can't wait for you to see what they look like in the bathroom. So definitely check that out in the next video that'll be coming up soon. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you on the next one.